I'm going to take you through a couple triceps exercises that I love to do on the floor with the tubing. So go ahead and cross over your tubing in front of you, grab it on the handles, and start doing kickbacks. So notice my chest is out, my shoulders are not up, and all I'm doing is a kickback. I'm starting at the hips and releasing back. It's really important to go to full extension. Stick out that chest and press. Then I'm going to hold it there and do a few rear delt compressions, but you're still going to feel it in the triceps. So go ahead and push it, and then we're going to change positions completely. Wrap that tubing up until you feel like you've got a good amount of pressure. Feet still stay together, elbows on the floor, and all you do is close the door. You hear that? I'm pushing down. The harder you push, the better. Stick the chest out. This is a great triceps exercise, but it's also pretty good for the core because you're stabilizing with the legs. Give me a couple more. Hold the arms down, squeeze the back of the shoulders to the ground. Let's go ahead and kick it on up. Triceps, 2 different positions. Until next time.